started. So we can get the satellite map. I hope it's not smashed. Not far off the house. This is a pretty big drone. Okay, what the frig? I don't see an aircraft. Oh, I hadn't thought to look up. We found bits of the prop, a couple of the props, and it's sitting up here in these gamble oaks. So Brian has gone to get a tool to get her down. Hello, beautiful. It's super sturdy. Okay, baby. Oh God, yeah. The battery fell out. Okay. $100 battery.
The battery fell out.
Yeah, it's not in there, so I'll look around for it. It probably hit and fell down here. Okay, let me look. That happened to me once before. What? No, on collision, the battery falls out. Like, that's what happened to me once before. Yeah. What do you think you'll do in a day? I was going out to, oh, I found it, and oh my God, no wonder it was working. It's still on. Let's go find your mothership. I think it's damaged. It's not, oh there, now it turned off. It wasn't turning off. Yeah, so just, yeah. Okay. Okay, baby. Oh, that's...
Oh, temperamental bargain.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I left all my other equipment at the back of the house. And of course I didn't even hit the record button, you know, because it was so windy.
Oh, that would have been really good for you.
I know. I wish I had been.